Halo, kum no baro pia long ngat pia shat ya klan ba kum ba ngiru haye ngi ya shat ngi ya klan. Ti minta kasin ngan dekai na sha Scotland.
Tang baswa bangan ngani a surprise biang ngi hami hang te apoka football academy namari hami namun ngala leit bet sha Scotland direct tang bapai ngani a surprise ya I kani kan ketuka football academy pepinda yu ihang ni apoka board yakin ihakan ni academy am ki ashimna do ki te ki kana ki badang ret na do ki pra banai kindai banai adu sanstam
Pikir Bisa berbai. Singap re kisngap coach ong kum no. Oh no, kiss go hami go.
So we're gonna have two orange team, and we're gonna have a white team.
Tanggum tuhi ngala wano sa airport mentabang ngala pas ke driving test ngala nya kali ke bamon ngala wan hi sa airport mentas wa ban late sa po wan shim flight ngawan set no kali ya jonga hani hapo parking kali hajan airport hi tenga set no kali hani kan tenga la like ke pawan bu pawan shaw hai papa hami namar bangan poi hang ni la dang la wan pai na po Scotland ngan poi hang ni RPG men step so kem dan kam ke banwan pai nang banwan shaw yang abang along independent passport ruban lajing lai ngala don kali banyar ngalayos
Saya kendal kita ni kalinya. Ada pak ke kali jonga mentah kala wan sharan ke bas panganai sha airport. Kali ke idea. Ya lah thaj ngan hawan ngala aslam ngala shu pet bitang bangarang kloi bah. Ke flight ngadi si kan no lai beje sopau. Baju hami tang damu marwai ni ngakenja. Long bat papa rumdan pa hami rumdan ngakenja tang ba. It's a good break.
Iya bitte menta kasien te kiti sia bro ar ngada yeng ne letang ba katu ka wi ka parlok jong asa dan bro plaju iya karu hani apa ki videos jong ima tengen ne letang ar ngut ni ka kenja tau ban de yuma te ka sepet hani ki videos kan ka part 1 te ka part 2 jong ka video pa de ngan sapalai la syam tiau sepet kot ya kan ka video mo
Kalau pergi ke airport, keperluan cina kalau up yang saya ngintip mah. Iki. Airport ni ke busy bah. Oh ni ke air hostess kidang ya 1 kini. Kan ni ke terminal 1 hang ni ke flight cina kan 1. Gini jang ke 8 kini. Ni. Busy bah ke airport mentah nomor bakadai ka. Sama baro kini. Syang. Security check tentang awak dan po airport. Busy bah ke airport mentah sini. Keparlok jangan kelap po. Busy bah. Mentah sini tegak sama pinchen ni kadang ke weather ke biang mah. Tangan ni wan itu keparlok jangan saya itu kelap. Gel strip kini ngidang wan bam kini ke bam ngalayot tada ketukan kedua jangan now ini late no shapok hitch now sorry okay like me just telling them that this is the flight that we're gonna fly and up to Edinburgh. Leave on board the flight. Keparlok jangan kadang like hitching bam kelawan ni. Tinggal excited nomor sin ke nyngkong dulu bangan like dah ka ni ke passport Irish. Tahu saya Edinburgh lah ni Scotland am ngalawan nak pun sin bitang pa. Man kabangi travel ka with new memories so. Nung Edinburgh tang 10 minit nila boy. Ada silau na sakot vlog mah. Kong do kata ngala sa Ireland ba ngayon mag-fly por badang siya sini ba. Watch ni yung siya kasi pete.
sim flight na po Ireland siya no siya no siya yeng na nga like travel ni Europe na pat yung ira pa siya benang kan ni pa ka jing itana na lor ka jing jerengam na po ile hani pitiki ka daw ka Ireland ba ka jing itana siya tapi
Sangat kuat padangan yang kira kan ke air.
kadai bai ha pedang dia tu mau ke dia tempat orang ka Ireland
Ini ke island.
Cross ya ke Duriau pada la cross ke Duriau Palawan ka England dan United Kingdom mia peri re namar kalang pekum ti kumju i kalang ya dap cross ngila poi ke benta jong ka United Kingdom katai mpi mika pirang ban peri
Depan sama apa? Healthy yang tambah. Sudah nampak sih bamba orang itu nak tahu apa. Kamera lah di kedai sebelah. Hancur sudah. Nampak ni. Bambang sih berbakat.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain switch on the fasten sequence and we start our descent towards Edinburgh. Please ensure your seat and ensure that your seatbelt security fastened 3 tables.
Nang kapam dapat
With the blinds fully open.
Lapoy
Bags to be
Scotland.
removed during the flight must now be restored for landing.
Mari pada pam dapat ni dia poi. Ikhir kita deh.
Begini nigis nang hapo Edinburgh pitiki yeng ki rukam snasa ada ki kentot pasal ang proper planning te hani ken hi itu becrek kumbal lap nomor balap plan temo kum tai ki long bete pekaji tanan patong kum tu pada lapoi ki agricultural land pe hani pada agricultural land nak jaka baya thong yat te pada ki yeng kem tan pe pi em sha tai ki de ki yeng basa briu sha ni ki de ki jaka batung jing tep kem juya mix jamila ra la ka jong bait pat te ka jing shrak ya use beta ki machine the machine da la duna ka kambale da ubrio la baby da machine ka da pe jing shrak sa
Ni tik lagi ke Edinburgh. Ngalah poi ha airport lan. Kilo flight ni itu kita lihat bah. Ini long ki Indigo terus India ki ba duna dor ba ki flight. Long ba song share utu.
For the vlog.
Yes, for my vlog. But so quiet. It's really very quiet airport. Welcome to Edinburgh. And Edinburgh. This is my fourth time.
Your fourth?
Yeah, my fourth time in Edinburgh. Tram dyan. It's nice. Bus, yun rin na siya hotel. No? Bus. Scotland, Edinburgh. Oh, zoo. Oh, next stop. Let's go. Do we have to go down now? Yeah.
Well,
No? There's no bell. Really look at City Bank. Daya peta ni deh pada Ireland deh. Makikita kita.
am I wrong? Sorry, it's the stop after the next one.
Okay.
Not this one.
Ta-da! And we are in Edinburgh.
Get a colourful top.
It
Turn
is.
a lot of black.
It is. Though you look cool in your hat. Look at you.
You're gonna beat some Where the
This is your bank. Bank of Scotland.
Yeah, one of them. Yes.
One of them?
I know.
One of your Bank of Scotland. And did you know our place? Yeah, Shillong. It's known as Scotland of the East. And this is where we gonna stay. Woohoo, girls are on fire. Well, we are on a trip, not on a fire. Girls on tour. That's our holiday inn. It's big. And we can go to the pool. We have loads of stuff. Singing a piece of kamla. Welcome to our girls' room. This is a home in Edinburgh. Woohoo! Welcome, Carolyn. Thank you. Holiday in Edinburgh. This is so fancy.
That's so funny.
Oh, no. Carolyn Congreve. Welcome to Edinburgh.
Oh, these tiles here, lovely. There's some tiles.
Yeah.
It's nice.
We have a bath.
There's some tea.
The tea. Oh, I just.
Coffee.
I want to have a cup of tea.
Do you want a cup of tea?
Yeah, I think.
It's just hard to like.
Exactly.
Same boats, but only that.
Ini siyang no siya po ka Edinburgh Castle. Ito din na Scottish po kung Scottish skirt.
Yeah, I love this.
I love this one. It's huge and not very busy to take a Edinburgh Castle. The bus. Don't get me talk. This is very sad. That is Edinburgh Castle, isn't it? Up there.
Yes.
And that monuments, that very famous Scots monuments. The Edinburgh gift. You need to correct. It's not Edinburgh. It's Edinburgh. Edinburgh. You know what? Yeah, it's not Edinburgh. If I say Edinburgh, we won't know where is Edinburgh. But this is Edinburgh. But it's not Edinburgh. It's Edinburgh. To all, to all of us who say Edinburgh. 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 No, girl.
No. Oh my God.
One mình xóa. Cái đây cái Edinburgh Castle cái bảo Nam hả? Ini lihat pada hang teh monuments ini ewan pam Joshua. Ini ewan Joshua mentah. Internet ini ke museum, ke Scotland Museum. Itu beliau umbariam ngomong Scotland na unang YouTube ke. Apa? Nan ngalaju iba Instagram teh monuments. Magkuha pa na yung teh. Ni kan tau Scott monuments. Scott monuments. Ni kan. Tangan leit pension dur hang tei sipang an leit rung. Ni. Yeah. Ow.
So you point that way, and I'll walk past you again.
Yeah.
Like what I should say.
Okay, come on.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
Whee! Oh, and this is what? Like now it's almost 7:30? Oh my goodness, those boys were about to ruin our... Or I don't know, why did they prank us?
There was, I think, a bit of controversy there.
Hmm.
Some of the statues were vandalized, like, it was like just anti-racist kind of, action, which is fair enough.
Yeah. Hang ni nya wan bam. Oh, ni mia bam re, ni shuan som. Bam jingi kala ready ngi le ya bam no. Krabaji kadang bes ka wat. Kat ka waga mama. Kateng ka waga mama. Mentang ngi le no sha ka bam.
Oh my God.
Wow, big daisy. I photobomb a lot.
Do you? You don't photobomb people.
No, I don't photobomb people. I love to take, this is where I love to take videos and put it in my channel and people can see how beautiful Scotland is. Yeah. Oh, this is pretty. Then we get the lamb. We're not eating the lamb anyway.
Skip the lamb.
No, we skip the lamb for now. But what was this, Bernadette? What's this, Bernadette?
I think that's the School of Theology.
The School of Theology. Bernadette, she knows everything about Edinburgh.
No girl.
You do? Look at the train station. Yeah. Ooh. Playfair steps. These steps are called Playfair, which means you need to walk fair. Come on. Yeah. Here we go. Oh. Saya take a bullet. Oh, sunset la Pravazia minta. I love Scotland. Tayo nonton. Ini ke main street kan. Siya tayo siya nang lalat ka doon ka. Edinburgh Castle. It's a ghost tour bus, but it's so old-fashioned, like the ghost bus tour. We are going to the meadows to have our dinner from Wagamama. Oh, sini siya po. Wow, mangidanhang ni Hajrong. Wow, showing that we are up and we are down now.
Ya kini ke Edinburgh nga best pala namar pe ki yeng ru ki long ki barem be ki penet pensan be ki jingte ki barem ngai tenat sha ki pherak ru kom shnaru baro ko be ke city kumne lon pinso yo ila shai ru ki be ki video
Niri tang kapart ngewan banya bam.
Spent too much time in.
Oh, si lot of study. Sini parlo jang ai pulihang ketuka ko dah po kate ke Edinburgh University. Tekadai tip kamba ya kini ke Edinburgh kini ke jaka ba ngini ala ya bam mentari tang ka park so bibro ya dan ha park. Singini ala bani ha bam. Oh, ke barbecue. Semua mai ini.
Look at dodgy.
University of Edinburgh. Kadai university. Ini kena school wedang ya bam. At the sunset is so beautiful. The monuments.
And I used to live.
Yeah, ini kena ya bam kibrio. Bayar lekar. Do you think like they are all students or it's just in general people?
Area. But also, it's probably like people from around as well. You know?
Yeah. It's just a nice place to eat.
Yeah, where do you want to go?
Tong na ini, nagkuwaga mama, katsu curry, and that's it. Bless you.
ya bam ka hi ya ya tu kana ya bam ya shanghai du shi po ba je a trai hang ni kene ka jaka ya shanghai kecil baba ro ngaso kum kana samla biang ya la jang na mar ba ki por college mo nga long kum ni hi.
Like, this is the be all and the end. That's all in there.
Oh, this is library that we study.
Yeah.
And you have some memory here.
Yes, yeah.
A lovely memory. Is this like a public library or is it
No,
college?
this is the University of Edinburgh Library, yeah, main library.
Oh,
There's
University of Edinburgh. Library, so big.
Yeah. It's not that like
Oh, there's University of Edinburgh.
Yeah.
Main library.
Yeah.
Okay. Hang ni ka pas ya ni ka graduation nang ni ka college. What is this? What is this called? A graduation area?
Usher Hall.
Usher Hall.
Oh, jeez, maybe that's wrong. McEwen Hall?
McEwen Hall, Usher Hall.
One
Okay.
of those.
One of those halls. But look at the square. It looks like a square. Edinburgh University, Usher Hall. I'm planning to library. Mentang hilawan pai siya ni siya Portdown. City Center ibarit ba? Ito lamit la si kendai steng. Man miru kay tenat palad kanini nga best. Apa hang ni hay ham man kita ka hayura ma iki lang komjo ban hi kan. Hang ni area ng Prt-1. Lau jang akan nang lay up ban tit ice cream nga brang am ju eat tit ice cream. Ni di kan night life ha Edinburgh la shpo boji. Ni tingin ni lek pai na siya yen bala mi at the Grass Market Hotel. Ni le ini ni famous street ha po Instagram. Ilang famous ba ni jaka ha po Instagram. The Edinburgh famous street ni. What is this street called? The Grass Market? Where's Bow? Where's Bow? Where's Bow? Where's Bow? Look at that wall. Ini di street itu famous bah på Instagram. Tenat Sham. Oh, sorry my girls, sorry. Tenat Sham. Men sngi likat ni tenat shushu ta mangam lak shu trai ban wan la shai. Kan you pila ban hang hadu ko nuts the pila ban hang kan sanch per minute piyo bisa. Ni bring bidang nyepet na ben.
This is such a hilarious idea.
Oh.
That's a slow clap.
Oh, like. Oh, man. Oh! Nearly rung hai ni smallest province, Scotland. Oh no, inn. Where is the inn though?
Yeah, I thought I was very easy going. No, I used to my paper. I was petrified of going up anywhere better. Fine, okay.
Kediwan jeng Edinburgh kalakun ngilas ngutenan ngila enjoy tengah kepan piru baro play enjoy kini ke videos jungi berhadung indah Sien BA ke week pat ke video nang isai nang klan beliun kerkuya pi habakut jong kini ke videos kedeka ya video ba I hami like hidang step ila wish good morning yang bat ba ila miss ba yang de sampai ya ke part tu jangka ni ya ke next day jungi po Edinburgh kita kaki bakam kita nak cuci ngilai pinyu I ba pilaman pendia pair mo kata ka bangi khat ya ke Scotland of the East bat ka Shillong ka ya hap ne PS ngau kumnu de na po East ni wan shani sha po West de kublai shibun bye bye.